For Texas farmers and ranchers, clean water and unpolluted land is essential for their livelihood. But a new state law could put that at risk. It allows oil and gas companies to treat wastewater from fracking and reuse it for things like irrigating crops or releasing it into streams and rivers.
We need water. We don't really care what the source is, as long as it's good, clean water that we can grow crops with. So fracking water would be fine.
Texas Agriculture Commissioner Sid Miller says some farmers are open to the idea if the water is thoroughly cleaned and held to strict standards.
We need to take the harmful heavy metals, other things out of it and make it, good, clean, pure water.
But some farmers in Johnson County are furious. They've spent years trying to stop the use of sewage-based fertilizer called biosolids, which they say is the source of contamination of PFAS chemicals on their land. Now they say fracking water, which can contain carcinogens, is getting a green light with little oversight, and oil companies are not required to disclose chemicals used in fracking.
We don't even know all the chemicals that are used in oil and gas fracking because they're proprietary.
Ames worked on getting a bill passed that would have required more restrictions on biosolids, but it failed. Yet she says Governor Greg Abbott signed the law allowing fracking water use and also signed a bill that would give the oil and gas companies immunity against lawsuits if the land ends up contaminated.
I think those companies should have some liability protection if they're doing business in the correct way.
So while state leaders say this is about solving water shortage issues, farmers say the state is putting profits over people. In Dallas, I'm Rebecca Lopez.